Over 70% of the gasoline sold in the US doesn't contain enough cleaning agents to keep modern engines running clean. That means even with routine maintenance, millions of cars every year experience carbon buildup, reduced mileage, misfires, and in some cases, early mechanical issues. If you want your engine to last longer, it's crucial to know which fuels consistently underperform. Today, we'll go through 9 gasoline brands and types that have been reported to cause issues based on driver experiences, industry testing, and independent lab analyses. At the end, I'll reveal 3 gasoline brands that actively protect your engine while you drive, the same blends that professional mechanics and long-haul drivers rely on to push their engines for hundreds of thousands of miles without serious carbon buildup. Let's dive into the countdown. Number 9. Safeway Gasoline. Safeway fuel stations are widely recognized across North America for convenience and low prices. However, while many stations meet minimum standards, detergent consistency is a concern. Fuel detergents are essential for cleaning valves, pistons, and fuel injectors during combustion. Driver reports indicate that engines running primarily on Safeway fuel sometimes develop sticky valves or black soot deposits on spark plugs after extended use. Cars may exhibit rough idle, slightly slower acceleration, reduced fuel efficiency. For modern engines, especially those with direct injection or turbochargers, these deposits can reduce efficiency over time. While occasional use is unlikely to cause severe damage, using top-tier fuel intermittently or applying a high-quality fuel system cleaner can mitigate potential buildup. Tip: keep an eye on engine performance after filling up at budget stations. Small changes like hesitation or a light check engine indicator can be early warning signs. Number 8. 7-Eleven Gas. Many people assume a major brand like 7-Eleven will always deliver consistent fuel quality. The reality is that 7-Eleven sources fuel from local distributors, which can lead to batch-to-batch variability in additive content. Common issues reported by drivers include sluggish throttle response shortly after filling up, slight knocking under load in some cars, reduced fuel efficiency over several tanks. Additionally, ethanol content can fluctuate slightly, especially in regions with high seasonal ethanol blends. While generally safe for daily commuting, relying solely on this fuel for long-term engine care is not recommended. Occasional use of a high-detergent top-tier fuel helps maintain optimal combustion. Number 7. Sam's Club Fuel. Sam's Club provides fuel primarily as a cost-saving measure for members, sourcing from multiple local suppliers. This can lead to inconsistent detergent packages across stations. Long-term drivers sometimes notice carbon deposits on intake valves, slightly reduced throttle response, and uneven idling in older engines. Modern engines with sensitive fuel systems may experience minor issues sooner than others. Advice: if you fill up at Sam's Club frequently, consider using a premium or top-tier fuel periodically to keep injectors and combustion chambers clean. This ensures consistent performance and longevity. Number 6. Murphy USA. Murphy USA's business model emphasizes competitive pricing near retail outlets. Their fuel is often sourced from different suppliers, leading to variability in additive content. Drivers have reported rough idling under acceleration, slight hesitation or reduced power during load, early injector clogging in rare cases. Independent fuel analyses have found that while Murphy fuel meets minimum legal standards, detergent levels can sometimes be below top-tier certification. Occasional engine deposits are possible with prolonged use. Pro tip: engines running on Murphy fuel benefit from periodic injector cleaning or a tank of high detergent fuel every few refills. Number 5. Circle K Fuel. Circle K operates worldwide, including North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific. Fuel quality can vary significantly depending on regional suppliers. Reported issues include carbon buildup after extended use, occasional misfires or rough idle, reduced acceleration responsiveness in some vehicles. Even though most cars won't see immediate catastrophic effects, engines with direct injection or turbocharged systems are more sensitive. For frequent Circle K users, incorporating a high detergent fuel or fuel additive every few months can help maintain efficiency. Number 4. Speedway. Speedway stations look polished, clean, and professional. But what's inside those tanks often tells a different story. Their fuel often comes from mixed suppliers, and detergent levels are frequently below top-tier standards. That means carbon buildup accelerates, throttle response drops, and fuel economy suffers. In 2020, some stations were caught selling water-contaminated fuel after heavy rainfall. Drivers filled up, drove a mile or two, and their cars sputtered or wouldn't start. Speedway blamed the weather. I blame poor storage and quality control. Number 3. Love's travel stops. Truckers and road trippers swear by Love's, but engines don't. Operating hundreds of locations nationwide makes it difficult to maintain consistent tank cleanliness. I've had customers fill up before a long haul and break down halfway because of cloudy, sediment-laden fuel. Microbial growth in underground tanks isn't uncommon either. This stuff clogs injectors and filters like glue. Love's fuel isn't top-tier certified, meaning no guaranteed detergents. It's cheap and convenient, but each fill-up is a gamble. Number 2. Sunoco regular grade. Sunoco's name is legendary in racing, but their pump gas tells a different story. Their regular grade has been criticized for low detergent content and inconsistent ethanol blends. Carbon buildup, engine knock, and poor fuel economy are all too common. Consumer watchdogs even reported multiple failed state inspections, and in 2016, the EPA fined several stations for selling fuel that didn't meet clean air standards. So while their racing fuel shines, the everyday pump gas can be a silent killer. Number 1. Pilot Flying J. Pilot Flying J is a major travel stop brand and a headline maker for all the wrong reasons. In 2013, the FBI raided their headquarters after they were caught cheating truckers out of millions in fuel rebates. Even after that scandal, complaints about fuel quality persisted. Diesel pickups stalling, high water content, and heavy sediment. Convenience doesn't protect your engine. When a company prioritizes profit over clean fuel, your vehicle pays the price. Busy, well-maintained stations are safest. Top 3 best fuels that protect engines. Number 3. Chevron with Techron. Chevron's Techron additive package cleans valves, injectors, and combustion chambers while driving. Long-term studies and mechanic reports confirm engines running primarily on Chevron have minimal carbon buildup, even after 150,000 plus miles. Top-tier certified, widely available in North America, Asia Pacific, Europe. Smooth throttle response and consistent fuel efficiency. Tip: ideal for high-mileage cars or engines prone to deposit buildup. Number 2. Shell. Shell's nitrogen-enriched system forms a protective barrier inside your engine. It actively prevents carbon and gunk from sticking. Top-tier certified at every station, Shell ensures consistency and smooth performance. Throttle response, idle, and efficiency all benefit. Deposits and improving combustion. Consistent performance worldwide, cleaner valves and injectors. Better throttle response and mileage retention. Drivers across the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia report reliable, long-term engine protection with this fuel. Number 1. ExxonMobil Synergy. ExxonMobil's Synergy. Gasoline is all about consistency and science. Packed with detergents, it protects injectors and valves from carbon buildup. Regular grade meets top-tier standards, so no watered-down mix here. Engines running on ExxonMobil fuel stay cleaner for longer, valves spotless, injectors clear, and performance steady. If you care about long-term engine health, stop chasing the cheapest gas. Stick to top-tier fuels and give your engine the protection it deserves. And if you think you're already using good fuel, wait until my next video. I'll expose the fuel myths that even smart drivers fall for, silently killing their engines. Click below because smart drivers don't just fill up, they fuel up right.